Dear friends, today let us see the hydraulic cylinder actuation for an application of like locked cylinders. Locked cylinders means the cylinder or the piston movement to and fro will not happen just like that, because in the previous circuits we have seen that when we allow the fluid to come over here, this will move towards right. By the time, even if you are not allowing the fluid to come up from here from the pump, due to its kinematic motion, it may move a little bit towards right even without the fluid. But if we want that should not happen, then that kind of a thing is called as locked cylinders. Here this circuit depicts both the time during the rightward motion and leftward motion, both the time the cylinder is under locked condition. Here let us see this. Here as usual we have a reservoir, a filter, and a positive displacement pump, and a simple pressure relief valve, and a lever operated DCV. Here it comes, the pumped fluid comes over here, and it will come here when this left envelope engaged over here, so that the fluid comes up here and it goes. It is a uh, check valve. If it only seen this, then it will permit fluid in the upward direction. The fluid will come here and it will go to this part of the cylinder, so that the piston starts moving towards right. By the time whatever the oil present in the rod end of the cylinder will come here. If you look at this only, it will not permit flow to the downward direction. But this is called as a pilot operated check valve. It means that the pilot operated valve check valve senses the pressure of this pilot line. If this line presents the oil, then this will permit the flow in this direction also. As the pumped fluid comes in this pipeline and this line is fully pressurized, therefore this will sense and it will permit the flow of fluid towards downward, and it will come here. It will go to the tank. By the way, the movement of the piston from left to right will happen at the end of the right hand side. We have to switch off this and we have to make this position to come and engage over here, so that the pumped fluid from the pump will come and it will go to this, and it will the oil comes to the rod end of the cylinder, so that the piston starts moving towards left. By the time also, here the oil present in the blank end side will come towards this, and this is the pilot operated check valve. Therefore this senses the pilot pressure here, therefore it will permit the flow in the downward direction also, so that it will come and it will go to the tank. This is how the locked cylinder will happen. If we switch off, if we are not allowing any fluid here, then this pilot operated check valve will not senses the pilot pressure, so that any further movement towards right side will not happen. In the same way, if there is no pressure here, it will not permit flow in this direction also, so that it is called as locked cylinders.